We have today this Hamza. If you remember, we bought Hamza on Ali app before. We call this Hamza. Hamza. This Hamza can come on three positions: on a, on ya, you remember ya, but we'll not put the two dots, and on wa. Okay, this Hamza is like a stop, and it comes also alone after a long a. Okay, so if we consider this letter ma, ma, is called ma. Okay, so the Hamza is the stopping sound. Ah. So if we have it on a, it will be ah. If we have it on ya, it will be like, for example, we will have it in the middle of the word ma, 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 and if we put it here and the ya at the end, this is called ma, e. So you have to stop at this Hamza. We call it Hamzat qata, cutting. It cuts the word. You have to stop at this point, ma, and continue. Ma e, ma e. Okay, if it comes in wa and put ma in the beginning, mo, 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 and continue. Lam mim, for example, mo lem. So you have to know that this Hamza is to stop or to stress on the a. Okay, it can come in three situations: on a, on ya, on wa, and on a, and at the end as separate one. In all cases, you will stop. Ah. Okay. Don't confuse the ka. It has a long line here with the ya with Hamza. Okay. We'll explain that later in more words. Thank you for watching, and let's go to next step. Thank you for watching, and follow up for more.